afternoon, everyone. My name is Jody Halfe. I'm the Public Information Officer for Satellite Cree Nation. We acknowledge and we are aware of the current positive cases surrounding our nation. We are also aware of our positive cases in other First Nation communities and members are visiting. We've had positive cases surrounding us in the past 3 months, and we want to ensure that everyone continues to follow our restrictions and we are in a state of local emergency. We want to be clear, it is everybody's responsibility to follow social distancing, proper hygiene, and whenever in doubt, wear a mask. We have masks available at our local health center for your convenience. Also, we are updating our contact tracing at our checkpoints. What this means is you'll be asked specific information as per contact tracing documentation being provided by the First Nation Inuit Health Branch. The purpose is to trace where our membership goes with the sole intention to track anyone who may have tested positive or who has had contact that has tested positive. This gives us the ability to measure so that we can minimize the spread of COVID-19. What will be required is compliance and cooperation. So what to expect at our checkpoints in the near future is, number 1, we will ask to take your temperature. Number 2, we'll ask your full name, where you have been, and where you were going. Number 3, and any other questions that the medical team has deemed necessary for us to ask. Number 4, this information will not be shared with anyone other than the contact tracing team, which is the medical health team, and only when we have a positive case. We do have requirements that we have to follow in the collection of people's information, and during the pandemic, it is in our best interest as a community and nation to track and prevent this virus. Rest assured your information is not going anywhere else. There is no conspiracy or bad intention. We recognize everyone has a concern for their privacy, and we are collecting this information for the sole health and safety of your family and everyone's family in our nation. We also understand that this virus has a potential for devastating results to our community, our population, and specifically for our elders and our vulnerable people with underlying health conditions. We commend everyone that has been open and honest and responsible in being active in preventing COVID-19 from entering our homes and our nation. Every person in our nation has been free from infection based on people's compliance and dedication to keeping their families safe. Your commitment shows because every small choice you have made has prevented a positive case. And in the event our nation does come in contact with a positive case, we know that you will stand up to keep our nation safe and keep COVID from spreading. Thank you and be safe. Have a good week, everyone. Hi, hi.